Let's run 5 miles and talk about my failed side projects and what I learned. My first app was Betcha in 2021. It was a sports gambling social media, so you could bet in a game, share your spread or money line, have them in the feed, follow your friends. It failed because the front end didn't look professional at all. And also the data we were scraping for scores was super inconsistent. We just couldn't scale the app. But I love this project and so glad I did it because I learned how to finish a project from start to finish, have users sign up. Your first project will always be bad and cringe, but that's just part of the process of being a founder and creator. So whether it's an app or a physical product you're putting out, just finish it, put it out in the world, and you'll learn so much and be able to iterate from it. Took a 2-year break to try to become the next John Summit, but then in 2024, my next app was TabaFit, a social media for HIIT workouts. Think Strava, but for burpees and push-ups. With all the AI tools coming out at the time, I felt confident to build my first actual iOS app and make it more polished compared to Betcha. I spent almost a year fully building this, from getting a basic iPhone app to filling out the workout database, to filming myself, doing all the workouts, and ability to share them. The product I dropped was super polished and clean, but I learned to grow a B2C company. You really gotta market it. I didn't know how to do that, especially with fitness apps. It takes a lot of involvement in community outreach to grow it, which I want to do eventually, but I wasn't ready for it at the time when it was finished. It was also totally free and had no revenue source, so it wasn't self-funding enough for me to keep working on it. But during this whole app is when I started building in public, on Twitter and via Shorts. So that gave me confidence to start building my personal brand as a software engineer. The next app I built was FlowThread, your workspace communication AI assistant. I dropped that early this year, 2025. It allowed you to upload long Slack or email threads, brainstorm topics, and kick off powerful, insightful threads based on the context of your workspace, all using AI. This app failed because it was its own dashboard. It wasn't baked into a Gmail or Slack, so users still had to copy and paste everything. And at that point, they may as well just go into ChatGPT and paste them there. But what I learned is all the tech stack I used for this project was my first time using it. And now I have a scaffolding for the next AI SaaS project I can build. Saved me a lot of the groundwork there. And my next app actually solves a problem for me and fulfills a passion. That's an AI health dashboard to analyze all your data across all your wearables, triangulate it all, give you real, actionable insights. And I'll be sharing the whole process here every day. One day, I'll be able to share how I failed as a running influencer. Light 5 miles, let's have a Thursday. I'm posting every single day. See you guys tomorrow.